right, well, Mark, it's Dr. Gordon coming at you for Facebook Friday, Southeastern Fertility. Mark, I'm by myself, just the two of us today.
This is weird. You couldn't find a nurse who would do this today, huh?
They scattered, like like in your dorm room in college when you had cockroaches and you flipped the light on and they're all gone. As soon as I mentioned Facebook Friday, they were just out of there like a shot. Everyone had somewhere to go. So I've got places to go. I've got to go teach the residents and students this afternoon. I got to get out of here too at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to bug out. But Facebook Friday continues on.
Yes.
Linda has been a little bit under the weather this week, so we're giving her a pass. Okay, so it's not Linda's fault. We know you all tune in to watch Linda, so if you want to watch Linda, you just stop watching now because she's not going to be on this episode. I'll probably have about 12 views as opposed to the 6,000 that Linda gets. But that's okay. That's all right. But I thought I would harken back to my years as a Princeton tour guide, where I would walk backwards for hours on end, spouting off platitudes about Princeton campus.
I didn't know you were a tour guide at Princeton.
I was the head of the tour guide agency at Princeton.
Is that right?
I was it. I gave tour after tour. You just
That's great. That's great. Okay.
And over here we have the Princeton University Chapel. We don't have that. Oh, sorry. I'm back in time. So we're going to take a little walk here on our site because you're all probably wondering what's going on with the site, right? Dr. Keenan asks frequently how we're doing on construction, right? So he wants to know. And we're getting there. So let's go walk over and see what have they accomplished.
I see some cement over here.
You know, we don't see people working, right? I mean, it's like it must be the weather because this is a spectacular day. Who would want to be working out of a job site?
Yeah, I get that.
That's the way it is. So in any case, all right. So we're actually on the building site here. So this raised part is the actual place where the building will be.
Okay.
Now currently we now have power to the site. We have water to the site. We have sprinkler to the site. I have my own fire hydrant, which I will demonstrate here in just a sec. So
this is great.
It is amazing. So this pad is actually, you remember we had a little generator fun last week, right?
Yes, we did.
This is actually the pad for the generator for the new building.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, so generator will be here, and so we have these, we have the power supply that comes in. There's also power. This is a transformer pad here.
Okay.
Okay, I was told not to open this because of the PSI here. So when I open this, you will be sprayed with chlorinated, it's like heavy duty bleach. I mean, that. The kitty cottage, those kids would be like gasping. Okay, so I'm just saying, don't touch that, Mark. Okay?
I promise I won't.
And this is what I thought I should bring Lucky and Bill over because they will now have.
Oh,
I have paid.
They're gonna love that.
I've never owned a fire hydrant before, Mark.
You now own it.
I own a fire hydrant.
You own it. Congratulations.
I can do with the fire hydrant, but now I own one. My very own fire hydrant.
To try to unscrew it, right?
Try to unscrew it and just see what happens, right? Okay, and then this is actually Rowan Drive is back up here, and actually
yes,
now I have my own pole too. See, there's a new power pole that went up there, and that's it. So that's ours.
The wooden pole?
That wasn't on the side of the road. There's the telephone pole, but it actually has a transformer on it.
How about that?
How about that?
You have your own pole as well.
Yeah, that's right.
This is great.
Outstanding in my field here. And
yes.
So here, this is the side of the building here. So this actually, that sprinkler system will be inside the building.
Yes,
so
sure.
That is actually obviously inside that's where the water comes in, which we hope we never have to test out.
That's right.
We now have grates in the parking lot.
Oh, I see.
So
yes.
The sewers are set up.
Okay.
We have gotten approval on the sewer lines. They've all been now buried again. This was a huge gaping hole here yesterday. We've now filled it all in. So this is our sewer lines here. We have additional spaces here. So we're now standing, this is actually the parking lot. So the building will face this way. We'll face Dr. Chesney and the Goddard School.
Okay. So this will be the front of it right here.
This is the front of the building right here.
Okay,
so,
gotcha.
That's right. So I'm figuring that, we'll have two doctor's offices will face this side. We have one doctor's office faces that woods. I have to figure out which doctor's office I'm going to abscond with, so we'll see. We'll have outdoor seating for nurses.
Over in this area?
Over in that back corner. Actually.
Oh, back there. Okay.
In case they bring their dog, the dog can pee on my fire hydrant.
Okay.
Lucky and Bill. We actually had a therapy dog in the office this week.
We did. Yes, we did.
It was a wonderful dog.
What a great dog.
I know.
Yeah, it didn't shed, and it was so quiet.
I know. So I'm thinking, maybe I should bring Lucky and Belle.
You could.
As therapy animals for the practice.
You could.
Yeah, we never know. Anyway, and so So this will be, this is the parking lot, and again, you see here the raised part here. So we're hoping in the next 2 weeks you will go get that slab poured for the foundation.
Oh wow!
And we're gonna start going vertical, Mark.
That's good. So the raised part is where the building is going to
Where
be.
the building is. Yep.
Okay.
That's the footprint of the building.
Okay.
An idea for it.
So really it's going in next couple of weeks. Then it's going to start getting real.
It's gonna be getting real.
That's
It's already
great.
gotten really real.
Oh, I'm sure
Really
you're paying for it.
It's just money. It's just money.
Right. It's all it is.
It's okay. It's all right. It is important for the mission. The mission, as my wife Allison is fond of pointing out, mission trumps all.
Yeah.
It goes to mission. So the mission is to do what we're doing. We're doing good work, and it's wonderful. We're going to have this, world class, facility to expand into. We've got great situation where we are now, but to have that extra space to really be able to expand, what a wonderful opportunity.
It is. It's going to be great. Honestly, I can't wait. And we're not given a timeline yet of when we expect to be in the building. It's a little risky,
once
right?
they start going up, 10 months.
Okay. So that puts mid-summer,
third quarter,
maybe.
Third quarter. I'm thinking third quarter of 2024.
Okay, that's exciting.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. So anyway, for when y'all come visit, you're welcome to check on the progress of the building. If you don't, we will be giving you updates whenever I can find a nurse who's willing to come on Facebook Friday with me, and we're just trying to find something else to talk about, Mark. That's probably what we'll do.
No, this is good. I think your experience as a Princeton tour guide came in handy.
It's outstanding.
Yeah.
I'd say about every other tour, I would get direct questions like, what exactly were SAT scores? And inevitably, the mother would turn to her child and say, see, yours are better than his. He got in. I mean, probably not going to get in now, lady. Let me just tell you. That's all right. Well, anyway, that's the news here from Lake Wobegon, where all the children are above average and all the men and women are good looking.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's right.
All right. Well, next week I hope to find a nurse who will come on Facebook Friday, so more than 12 people will watch it. And y'all enjoy this beautiful, beautiful East Tennessee late summer, early fall. It's a beautiful day, Mark.
It is.
I'm working this weekend, so what you can do.
See you later, everybody.
Bye.